Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add more controls to the control center on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, if you want to have more controls or just specific controls, right here in the control center, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then go to the control center, and here, as you can see, you can see the included controls, so the torch, timer, calculator, camera and Apple TV remote. And also here you can find more controls. So let's say I want to remove some controls because I do not have the Apple TV, but let's say I want to add the alarm, I want to add the code scanner, and I want to add maybe some Shazam. So the music recognition, but it is Shazam. So as you can see, this is really simple how you can add those controls into the control center. So what you want to do is to just click the plus icon and use the control that you want to add. So let's say I want to add screen recording, hitting plus, and as you can see, now I can find it right here. And now if I open the control center, all of those are right here. So now I can, turn on Shazam to just listen the music, and the screen recorder is going to be 3 seconds. As you can see, now the recording has started, and this is how you can add the controls, more controls to the control center on the iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!